Welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life, where we talk about money and how to make sense out of your dollars. And so today's video, I want to be talking about a topic that I think a lot of people are familiar with, especially if you spend any time here on YouTube, and how you're really not being told the truth. And so the subject I'm talking about here is passive income. And I really feel the vast majority of videos here on YouTube, they're basically lying to you about the realities of passive income. So some of the things that you're probably seeing about passive incomes are things like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, dividend investing, or any type of stock investing, or even selling courses. And while all of these things potentially you can make money from them and make money quote unquote passively, the reality is it is definitely not as easy as a lot of these videos make it out to be, especially when you're looking at videos how you could make X amount of money in a short amount of time, or if you just do these 5 things and now you'll be making passive income. In the real world, that is simply not the case. And so I myself have been working on the internet for more than 7+ years, and I've been on YouTube as a content creator for more than 5 years. And so within that time, I've learned and tried a lot of different things, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to work with a lot of different types of businesses all around the world. And one of the big things that I've noticed is the reality versus the fiction, or in this case, these fake passive income videos that tell you you can make $50 or $100 per day, you can make X amount of money and quit your job, or if you just do this one thing, it'll allow you to make passive income. That is simply not the truth. And let me tell you the things that they're definitely leaving out in this whole passive income world. And so the first and biggest thing that a lot of these videos are leaving out is the simple fact that even though you could have all these great products, services, courses, whatever you're selling, you need one big thing, and that is an audience, community, or customers to sell to, and you need targeted traffic. As someone who does digital marketing for a living, meaning that I actually create ads that people see on YouTube and everywhere else on the internet, well, you need to have targeted traffic coming to your business. So either you could get qualified leads, make a sale, and so forth. And that is the biggest single issue that a lot of these passive income videos don't talk about. They don't talk about the fact that you need a targeted audience that actually know, like, and trust your brand and actually buy from you, and not only buy from you for the short term, but also for the long term. And the other 2 major things that a lot of these passive income videos leave out is that you need marketing and sales. So you can have the best product and service in the world, but if people do not know about this, then how are you going to get them into your business? So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is, even when you get them in your business, how are you going to close them? How are you going to get sales from these potential customers that are coming in? And then finally, whenever you make the sale, how are you going to continually sell them on your products and services later down the road? And these 3 key things are something that practically every business needs. Every business needs a community customer base, every business needs marketing, and every business needs sales. And whenever these passive income videos, they leave this out, they really leave out the most important things that you need to actually truly make passive income for the long term, or just make income, period, whether you're on the internet or outside of the internet. So those are my thoughts on passive income, and how I really feel the vast majority of what you see here on the internet is basically a lie, and how you should really do your own research and focus on the core things that every business needs to actually not only make passive income, but also make money in general. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode of Geek Money Life.